love the 2019 Golf GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI is available in both 2- and 4-door models to easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load and is priced below $30,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, power windows, compass, heated front seats. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.